Welcome to the presentation today. Today we are talking about the CloudCard CBORD CS Gold integration. As always, if you have any questions, you can always reach out to us at info@onlinephotosubmission.com. Now, this is an integration that quite a few of our schools are already using. If you do need to be connected with someone that's already using this integration, definitely reach out to us and we can make those connections. So. With no further ado, who am I? Tony Erskine. I'm the principal engineer at CloudCard onlinephotosubmission.com. And we're going to jump right in and keep this video relatively short. So if you're watching this video, you probably already are familiar with the CloudCard photo downloader. If not, I'll put a link in the description. But suffice it to say, CloudCard photo downloader in this particular configuration will pull down photos from CloudCard, save them to your file system, and name them with ID number.jpg. And so this folder right here is whatever directory that the CloudCard photo downloader is saving photos into. Okay, and that's going to be where the CBORD integration is going to pick them up and put them into CBORD. So whatever you call that folder, that's going to be it. All right, so once you've got that set up, then you'll go in and set up a batch process in CS Gold, and you can call it what you want. Maybe image import might be a good idea. And then you need to schedule it up here on the schedule tab, and you can set it up for whatever schedule works for you. Most of our schools tend to set it up between 1 and 10 minutes. But the exact schedule is completely up to you, and probably needs to, should match the schedule that you have CloudCard Photo Downloader set to. And then what it's actually going to do is it's going to run a custom command, custom Windows script, and we're going to go ahead and take a look at that. That script is going to be wherever you put your other custom scripts. Most likely you already know where this is. You probably got other custom scripts that are running, so it'll go there with them. For this particular institution, it was in the CBORD DCS Gold Server custom directory. Excuse me. If you're not sure where to put it, definitely reach out to your CBORD support team or customer rep and get some advice from them. So what does that script do? Well, it checks to see if the image import directory has any JPEGs in it, any files named star.jpg, and if it does, then it runs the CS Gold import export utility. We're going to talk about that in just a second. It passes these options in, which we're not really going to talk about in this video, and it also passes in the import directory. So obviously, if you named your import directory something different, or if maybe it's not on the D drive, then these values will need to be changed to match. And of course, there's a couple. It's in a couple other places here. So let's talk about that command. So the image import export utility is just an exe file that ships with CBORD. It's in the CBORD DCS Gold bin directory, and it should be available with your CBORD or your CS Gold install. If you can't find it or you have any trouble with that, definitely reach out to your CBORD customer rep and ask for some help on that. All right, now when that image import export utility runs, if there are any errors, it creates an error log.txt. Okay. And so the next thing that the custom script does is it checks to see if error log.txt exists, and if it does, it copies it over into the CS Gold error log directory or log directory, and it renames it to right here. Actually, is a better way to look. Error log image import 4-digit year. 2-digit month, 2-digit day, 2-digit hour, 2-digit minute .log. So that's what that will look like if you use a similar command. And then I'll put this sample batch file into a link to it in the description as well, so that you don't have to try typing all this stuff out. Finally, it checks this script checks to see if there are any files left in the image import directory, and if there are, it just deletes them, right? Because we've already logged, if there were any errors, they've already been logged, so it deletes them. That way we're not seeing the same files over and over and over again. And that's pretty much it for the CBORD CS Gold integration with CloudCard. I want to thank Cal Poly Pomona for their help in setting up this or helping us with this presentation. And I just want to thank you guys today for your time. If you have any questions, definitely reach out to us at info@onlinephotosubmission.com. And I hope you have a great day.